everyone, I'm Dr. Rupali Sawant, and today I would share some simple herbal products based on Vedic principle. Diabetes, a complex metabolic disorder which is slowly and steadily grasping a lot of people. Blame it on the lifestyle, overweight, bad food choices, lack of sleep, stress. All these factors taking a heavy toll on pancreas, leading to diabetes. And we all know in this complex metabolic disorders, several organs start malfunctioning or dysfunctioning over a period of time. So prevention is better than cure. We need to watch our weight, because if we don't watch our weight, diabetes won't wait. So I would like to highlight few simple herbal products which has a tremendous healing aspect on diabetes. One, Petite Bio, an excellent potent formulation made from Shuddha Gugul, Triphala and Trikatu. Gugul, derived from plant Commiphora mucul, it's an excellent metabolism booster. It not only boosts your metabolism, but it curbs the excessive hunger part. Also, the production of the fat or the conversion of glucose into fat is being hindered because of this beautiful product. On the second hand, Trikatu, it's an excellent metabolism booster. It improves your liver and your pancreas ka function, making you full or feeling satiety for a longer period of time. Simultaneously, Triphala, it's a mild laxative and helps to detoxify your entire system. So overall, Petite Bio is an excellent formulation to reduce weight, to prevent diabetes, control cholesterol, reduce fatty liver, severity, and so on. Similarly, we have an excellent product by the name Gacula, composed of Garcinia cambogia, curcumin, and amla. As we all know, the rind of Garcinia cambogia consists of hydrocitric acid, a compound which suppresses the excessive fat formation in your liver. Not only that, Garcinia makes one fuller, so you don't feel hungry for a longer period of time, taking care of false hunger alarm. On the contrary, Amla takes care of Pitta condition. It's an excellent Pitta Shamak, loaded with antioxidant and an excellent vitamin C fruit. This not only boosts your liver and pancreas, but also improves your metabolic disorder, including hyperacidity. Curcumin, we all know, an excellent anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial compound which is widely used in healing the GI tract flora. So Gacula overall not only just reduces weight, it also improves your cholesterol, heals your pancreas, and boosts your metabolism. Last but not the least, a wonderful combination, basil berry, composed of giloy, neem, tulsi, ginger, and curcumin. Neem, as we all know, it's packed with 140 active compounds and exhibit antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal activity. It's an excellent blood purifier and excellent anti-diabetic. Similarly, giloy, it's a potent Ayurvedic medicines which we use a lot, taking care of diabetes, boosting your liver health, reducing fever. In so many cases, giloy is widely used. Turmeric, on the other hand, it's an anti-inflammatory action, induces a sound action of pancreas, especially it has healing activity towards the beta cell. On the other hand, Tulsi, known for its profound antibacterial and antiviral property, take care of your gut, restores your gut flora. So overall, this basil berry combination improves our immunity, improves our metabolism, and it enhances our body with more of immune stronger. So what are you waiting for, guys? If you want to prevent diabetes, grab your diabetic kit today.